What's up, traders? Welcome back to the new Money Wave FX Group channel. My name is Fiso Anatisibamba, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And so, guys, this is episode 12 of trading my 2.5k one-step challenge in order to secure 100k in funding with Equity Edge. So currently, this episode 12, guys, I have great news for you guys. I have great news and bad news at the same time, So let me start with the bad news. The bad news is that I may have sabotaged my account. I may have sabotaged the account. I may have sabotaged my accounts due to the impulsive decisions that I made while trading off camera also, because of guys, this is a challenge that I'm doing for myself. I'm trying to change my life. You gotta remember that. So the pressure, the pressure is very high to me. Even my mental pressure was so high. But as you guys can see, how I sabotaged my account. The revenge trading that you guys see, I would have passed this account a long time ago. I don't wanna lie with you guys. I would have passed this account a long time ago. But due to being impatient, due to being wanna rush the process, I ended up back trading, back codings. For the last videos, you guys have seen the last video going, I got emotional. As you guys have seen with the last trading video, I got emotional. But so you have to forgive me about that. But yeah, man. So as you guys have seen with the previous video, things got emotional. I almost blew the account, but I didn't, due to God, thanks to God, all glory to God, I didn't. Secondly, after seeing this mess that you guys see here on the screen, I would have passed this account a long time ago. Also, as you guys see, you can calculate the overall profits that are made in this account, total made, were close to $300. The amount of losses that I've made on this account, you guys would have, the amount of small losses you guys would have seen when this man was supposed to have passed this account a long time ago. But I don't want to make this video long, guys. I passed this account, and I passed it this morning. I passed it this morning, so we're just waiting for the 3 days to pass for the verifications. The reason why I said that I may have sabotaged my account, it is because of, firstly, I hit take profit. I didn't realize, no man, we have something missing. The $1 missing. That $1 missing was commission that Equity Edge. That's why I hate trading currencies, because currencies, we deal with commissions. When it comes to currencies, we deal with commissions. And then when it comes to trading metals like gold and all those things, we deal with we deal with swaps. But we don't deal. Yeah, we deal with commissions, but they're not as much as high as currencies. So when it comes to trading indices, we don't pay swaps, we don't pay commission, but we pay with spreads. Those people make money off their spreads, So I passed this account. The email is beautiful. I was happy and all those things, but I may have sabotaged the account, as if you guys said, as I've said, I may have sabotaged the account. As soon as I hit that profit target this morning, I realized $150, $105 was used as commission. So which means I had to open another trade. I did a trade, commission again. What the fuck? I was like, what the fuck? Then I opened another one. You guys have to understand that I didn't close these trades. I didn't give them enough time window. So the time window is the one that's gonna make us not get funded, but let's stay positive and be funded, gang. It's gonna be the second account for 2026 that I've passed this year, because I've failed a lot of accounts. But yeah, man. And so guys, I don't want to waste time, man. Let me show you guys the charts. I don't want to bore you too much, but I'll tell you a story after showing you the charts, how we passed today. So I'm gonna cut and paste, and do my chop shit, and do the shit, man. Yes, sir. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and I cleaned, but I had my analysis already set for Friday. So my reminder said today So my reminders just hit. Let me show you my reminder. As you guys can see, my reminder just hit. So just needing that $72 as we hit take profit, and then we would pass the account. But let me go show you my analysis. Here are my analysis that I have on GBP USD. It's Monday today, ne? I'm recording it Monday today. So here are my analysis. This reminder that you guys see, over here, it's my take profit. It's my take profit. That's and so guys, welcome back to the screens. This is the setup that I'm trading, GBP USD. So this is my reminder. My reminder indicates I've hit TP. So this reminder is the reminder for take profits. So yeah, it's Monday, as you guys can see. And this analysis, I have them over the weekend. Like, I've analyzed the market from the weekend, like from, I think it was Saturday. It was Saturday when I was in my head, like, I'm battling with myself, why I'm failing. The reason why I'm failing also, the reason part of why I'm failing also is I'm not taking opportunities while I'm supposed to be taking opportunities. So this opportunity presented itself. So I had to execute. I had to execute this opportunity. The reason being, we have a head and shoulders pattern, as you guys can see also here. We have a head and shoulders pattern. We have a, wait first. We have a head and shoulders pattern. That's my head. Left shoulder. Right shoulder actually. Do you guys see? We have a head and shoulders pattern. So I'll wait for price to hit TP, but for now I'll just start gymming. Then after gymming I'll go take a bath. But man, we are gonna hit the TP. We will hit the TP. See you guys once TP hit and we become funded. Just wait for price to continue and hit our $71. We just need $71. Then we pass the account. And I want to just show you guys something, man. It's still the same account, that I was trading for the past few days. I will tell you guys a story once I'm done with the trade. I want to show you also the analysis that I have. This one is short, but this is a long-term trade. So yeah. So guys, we're about to become funded, we're back again, we're about to become funded, so I'm gonna just let my screens run, I'm gonna just let my screen be. We funded, baby! Ooh, we funded, motherfuckers. Yeah, man, we funded, man. What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, what just happened? We're not funded yet. Guys, commission is a motherfucker. Commission is a motherfucker. I don't wanna lie with you guys. Commission. I had to pay commission. Why, dog? We about to fund it, man. We about to be funded, man. Commission is a motherfucker, man. Commission. So guys, commission is a bastard, you know. I'm closing this trade. Ayibo, kwenzakalani mfethu? But guys, we funded. We finally funded. We made a lot of mistakes, so I'm not sure we could edge as says, we made a lot of mistakes due to commission, man. So yeah, we funded, Baba. We funded. Damn it, nigga, we funded, baby. We funded. Let me go check my certificate, man, and take a breather. So guys, if you stayed this long, man, just know that I'm grateful. I just want to say thank you, man. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We funded, baby. No, we're not funded. Road to funded. Let's just wait for that email. And see what we do. I might trade this funded account next week. You know, because I think I'm gonna get it on Friday. I'm gonna get this account on Friday. So I passed it today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days. Friday I receive my account. If we have set up on Friday, I'm gonna trade it Friday, and I will trade it Monday, and Tuesday I wait for a payout. I wait for a payout, my guy. I wait for a payout. You know, I wait for a payout. After receiving our payout, we go again. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, sir.